campers. I want to show you how to make the wheel that we made in class on Thursday. I'm in tinkerCAD in my basic car parts, the ones that I'm sharing with you. What I'm going to do is I am going to select the wheel. To do that, I right click on a mouse and drag this red rectangle over the top of it, and you'll see it selects the image. To do this on a tablet, you tap on it. I'm going to go up to here and hit ungroup. You can also on a tablet hit Control Shift and G, and you can see now I have the individual parts that I need. I am going to change the size of my wheel. I'm going to make it, it's 48 now. I don't know. I'm going to make it 55 just for fun. You'll notice I'm not going to change the size of any of these other pieces. That's why I pulled this away from where it was. That way I can change just this wheel, the diameter of the wheel, without changing this. It's really important that you do it this way. So once I've got that resized, it's now 55 by 55 by 5. I'm going to select all of the pieces again by right-clicking and dragging my mouse. And then I'm going to go up to the Align tool, and you'll see that the dots show up. I'm going to click Middle Align and this Align. Now, all of the shapes are rotated around the middle piece. Now, what I want to do now is glue it all together. It's called Group. So I'm going to go there and Group. And now I have a new size wheel, which is 55. Oops. But I didn't want it at 55. I forgot. I just recreated the whole wheel that I'm not supposed to recreate. Bummer. So I'm just going to go back. To go back, that's all you have to do. Okay?